Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam tagasni. Halor ka jingpin kenria yaki nongdie madan hoka na kijaka di jingdi hasor shilong. Ka yeng ka shiri High Court ka jilla Meghalaya. Ka ay hukum ya ka sarkar jilla bantung da uwe special officer yathu umuktiar jong kinongdie madan upi yobin. Ka hukum balapin mi da ka Sha Bishar minski palay ha ka public hearing bantung da special officer bantok kit bnya halor ka jingpin kenria no yaki nongdi madan ha ka na ki jaka di jingdi hasor shilong. Katay ka kam kapoy hayeng ka shiri kaday bakatnat baday pet kam boat katkum ki kindon jong ka Central Act jong ka Street Vendors and Hawkers Act yathu umuktiar. Ka jingkiu yingli ying sao jong ka Meghalaya Street Vendors and Hawkers Association. Bakaritit jingkhang Sha Iing Bishar da ka file da ka petition persha ya ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar jilla ban pin kenria ya ki nongdi madan na kendai lad bat kiwe ki benta jong ka sor yathu umuktiar pi yobin. Haying Bishar ki aliang mamla kilawan ra laki saki satar bar ka jingpen syai jingmun. Kayeng Bishar ka bapet bin pabin kalabatha bantung do special officer ubaday banum jingte pet ngor ya ka jing sha kenria ki hoka bat ban pente pat bah ya ka jing shisha. Labatha ru ba uni special officer un ha ban ai ka kaipon babnya sha ka ying kashiri shwa ka sngi Bishar banwan. Kabalabu ha ka tayo ningkong jang unai lar arhajar arpsan. Ka jing batha na ka ying kashiri kalong ban kmi bnya ba kinong di madan kiday ban im bat om day ban kini ya ka hok jangki. Ka Sha Bishar ka batha ikatanan kanwanra ya ka jing shisha bat jing toket bat boat katkum ka town vending committee yathu umuktiar ka jing penkre ka yeng ka shiri ban pet bnya ya ka ni ka kam kalapan pau ba ka hok bat ka jing im jungki pat ba kim day bandu e. Ya ka jing im Bishar on day biang haubnai nailar agas yathu upi yobin.
Past 2-3 days that there was an eviction in a garb of checking the vending licenses. Because all along the hawkers unions have been demanding for a fair distribution or allotment of the vending licenses. So they felt aggrieved by that, and while their grievances are not been addressed as yet, so they have started the process of relocations or evictions. So that is what they were aggrieved. They are aggrieved by. So as we are aware that there was already a pending case, the PIL case that is already pending. Therefore, we filed an interlocutory application requesting the court, bringing on the notice of the court actually, what they're saying that at the garb of the court's order they are doing an illegal evictions and they are sand the law 2014 law, that is the right to the protection and the regulations of the hawking laws. That's the central legislation which the state government has adopted. We are saying that you are not following in letter and spirit of the law. So because of you are not following the letter and spirit of the law, there is so much of chaos. There's so much of chaos. There's so much of grievances. There's so much of confusions. So in these confusions, please, do not evict. This is what the grievances of the hawkers were. We move these interlocutory applications, as I've said. The court heard us, and then the court passes an order saying that for the interest of justice, the court has appointed a special officer who is also a very esteemed member, a senior counsel of the High Court itself, Mr. Senior Counsel Tilak Chakraborty. So now, and then there are some directions given, and then he has to file a report. Tentatively, there's a date. I just forgot the date, but it's the 5th of August, the returnable date. So before that, the special officer needs to file his report. So the court also said that whoever got the vending licenses now, and for whoever has been left out, can apply the vending licenses, and the authorities has to decide in accordance with law. So this is what some substance happened in the court today.
So there's a court today also the judge said like all these vendors who have the license can vend. Without
Yes.
license and with a proper timing.
Uh, yes, that the court has said. So let us. That is an open dictations in the court. So let the court, because we are yet to get the hard copy. Let us get the hard copy first, and because what is the interest of the hawkers union here is the interest of the hawker union is that please implement properly the central law. They are ready to cooperate. Please come up with the rules, proper rules. Let there be a proper town vending committee. Let there be a participatory, what you call, activities from all the stakeholders, and all should agreeable, not one side, imposing, or the other side imposing. This chaos will never solve. So if you want to solve solutions and once and for all, let us have a participatory approach, and let us implement the law in letter and spirit. This is what the hawker unions have been demanding. Has been demanding.
What's the number, the accurate number of the focus? Is it 49 or 1500?
That the union members, I just represent them. Exact number I will not be able to give them. Only the union members will be able to give them, because on the last time when they told me it was about 1500 or so, subject to corrections from the unions. Yes, somewhere, yeah, it's a registered, and because this hawkers progressive hawkers union is a registered union. It is not, that they just few of them form an association. It's not like that. It's a properly registered union.
As of now, they have to go to applicable to the rules and regulations that's set by the judge.
No, the court is there's a certain directions. So let us first see. Since we have not got, I've not met my clients also. So we are meeting in the evening, and we'll study the judge, the directions. We'll study the directions. And if it's a court's order, we are all bound to follow. It's a court's order, so we are all bound to follow.
Like there are hawkers who have already got that COB.
Yes,
And
yes.
there are some of them
Yes.
who don't have that. What will happen to those who don't have the consent of vending?
Uh, that is what the court said, that for those people who did not get the COV, they can apply, and the authorities has to decide in accordance with law. So this is what the court said. Okay.
What about this eviction? Will it continue to happen or will they have to stop it for time being?
That is the question you should ask the authority, whether they are going to carry the eviction or not. But when things are not set, when things are not set, when things are not yet streamlined, it's inhuman to do. People who are vending there are making a livelihood from maybe how much they are earning, not like an affluent people, like many of us. So they we have to think, balance both sides. So once the things are streamlined and everything is streamlined, still then you can identify, yes, this is illegal. You can evict them. But so far nothing is not yet clear. Then how do you even declare that who is illegal and who is not illegal? Right now, that system has not yet come in place in full fledged.
Since the government had given them the space for the hawkers just to clear the road because it blocks the road even the pedestrian. But the government is the good one. How did the court say about that?
No, there's a report, because we were more things are streamlined and everything is streamlined. Still, then you can identify, yes, this is illegal. You can evict them. But so far nothing is not yet clear. Then how do you even declare that who is illegal and who is not illegal? Right now, that system has not yet come in place in full fledged.
Since the government had given them the space for the hawkers just to clear the road because it blocks the road even the pedestrian. But the government is the good one. How did the court say about that?
No, there's a report because we were more concerned of the evictions that is ongoing. So the reports was not really been able to discuss today. So if it is a, I mean, like, it is a workable and practicable report and acceptable to the union also, then obviously the report will be a success report. If not, then there will be obviously there will be an objection.
What it means, but the department who did this eviction, they can continue.
Uh, the court did not say that. Neither the court said you continue eviction. The court did not say that, or you don't do eviction. The court did not say that. So now let us see if they continue. Then we'll have to come back to the court again.